Hi there, Chris here. I'm going to try to enter Michael Gilchrist's 400 sub giveaway. And the hashtag is Norland400, I believe. I will put that link in a pinned comment. And I'm going to try and pick this Mako. This is 427. I like picking these, and they're fun. Also, go check out Murloc. He just picked, on his first encounter, a Bylock. If I can get this focused. I don't know if I can do it without shaking the camera to death. One of these Bylocks. His key didn't work, but he did pick it and got it. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I have not been able to get in one of those yet, but I'm going to work on it. Also, we have Parker in the house. Parker has a new holder. When we need Parker, Parker is there. Because Parker gets lost on the bench. So there's the 427. These are fun picks. Here is the bidding on the key. And let's give this a shot. Use my regular pick, and I guess I'll use this tensioner. And we'll see if we can get in here. So with these, they have a lot of serrations, serrated pins and spools. So the first thing you need to do is get through some of those serrations. So you get to the spools and you get false sets, and then you work on those. Or at least that's how I go about it. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. I might be in a slight false set. See if I can find some counter. I think I might be overset on something. I'll manually rotate it a little bit. Oh. Losing my wrench. I think I slipped off that one. Something's hung up in the way, but it doesn't want to get out of the way. It doesn't want to pick out of the way. Reset. Okay, a little bit of a false set. False set on what, 1? Fell off, false set. Deeper false set. Three. And we got it on 3. All right, maybe I'll gut this real quick here. Move Parker out of the way. Put this the way it goes. If I had a screwdriver. Oh my, may never have gutted this one. There's everybody. Okay. So we do have a key. I'm gonna lock it up. We'll take this little guy off. Our clip. That's good. Find a shim. Well, you gotta open it to get it shimmed. Well, I've been in here, someone's been in here, because there's a witness mark. Oh, this is one of those super paper thin ones. Not sure this is gonna get me in there. Get rid of that. Sorry, Mer. Yeah, that's better. Okay, wrong follower. If I could find the real follower. There's part of it. Oh, here we go. So it is 6 pins. Everybody had to be picked, I believe. Let's go down here. Focus here. 1, a serrated key pin. 2 is a tiny little key pin, no serrations. 3 is small, again, no serrations. 5 is out of order. 5 tweezers. That's 5. It has serrations. Let's go to 6. It has serrations. Look out. And there we go. Nothing on 4. So that's that. I guess I could put him in here. What do we got? Got a shim in the way. Oh, man, the lighting's going nutso. All right, 1 is serrated. 2 is has a serration. 3 is a spool. 4 is looks like a spool, if it'll come out. Oh man, hit the camera with my head. That's 5 serrated and springs. I don't know where 6 went. Anyway, I think you get the idea. He's still, oh, number still stuck in there. Well, it popped out, but I don't know. Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay, how not to gut a lock for demonstrations. Anyway, these are fun to pick. And there's a spring somewhere. I don't know. I'll find it. Anyway, I'll give you a close-up of the pins. There you go. Anyway, check out Mako Gilchrist. It's an awesome giveaway, awesome locks. And I will put, like I said in the pinned comment, I will put a link. Here's the other spring to that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Congratulations on hitting 400. That's a lot of subs, my friend. All right, take care. We will see you next time.